back. Here's part 4, the last part. And today I will be trading my color changing Neato. And this person was so rich. And they said that they would offer. So I'm really excited. Alright, trading this very rare color changing Neato ball. Going once, going twice, going 3 times. Me! Okay, what's your offer? I'll add this poppet, this fidget cube, and this is this fidget pad and simple dimple. Deal. Thank you. Bye.